Hi guys, and welcome back to another EV-zona video. Today we have another mini city car edition video where we take the mini clear across town, see if we can get there and back on a full charge without having to charge all the way out there. And today we are going to be going to Papago Park. That's a park on the east side of Phoenix. It's right next to the Phoenix Zoo. It's about, I believe, 40 something miles away. I'll check it once we get in the car and we put it into CarPlay. But we're gonna go out there, do a little walking and stuff, and take the drone up there again, catch some video, and get a bit of exercise while we're out there. Afterwards, we're gonna go ahead and grab a bite to eat, maybe go to a store and see if we can do all that without having to charge up the car again. Okay, so here we go. We're in the car now, and again, my co-pilot is my son Isaiah. The car is fully charged to 100%. It's got 99 miles of range according to the guessometer, and the park is 40 miles away. I'm gonna get there in 42 minutes. We are gonna stop by the post office first, so we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll head out. We'll check back in, I guess, when we get to the park. Okay guys, we've arrived. We got here with 52 miles and 55% battery left. We actually traveled 50 miles because we had to go to the post office first. Took us 59 minutes, 3.6 miles per kilowatt hour. So we should have enough range to get back home. So here we are. That's the hole in the rock. We're gonna go ahead and do a little hike, and we'll get back to you. Well, it's another scorcher out here. Again, it's already 104 degrees. So we'll just do a little short hike again, just enough to get a little bit of sweat going, and we can go get something to eat, I guess. You got, again, Hole in the Rock right there, and you got Phoenix Zoo to that way over there. There is a pyramid down there somewhere. It's been years since I've been here. I think it's a tomb or something. I'm not sure. Thinking of going over there, but it might be too hot for that much of a hike. So I think we're just gonna go up to the Hole in the Rock, see if we can get all the way to the top. Haven't done that since I was a kid. But it is a beautiful park with all the hills and rock formations. Well, we climbed up here. Got a pretty good view of Phoenix over there. Pretty shady. Should look better from the other hole. Here we are, made it to the hole. Again, downtown Phoenix over there. Phoenix Zoo over there. There's a pyramid over there, you see it? Oh yeah. Alright, we were gonna attempt to get up there so we can see the little hole on the top, but my son's wearing some old Vans, very slippery, and
don't know if you should try it. So
Yeah.
next time, bring some better shoes.
I don't own sneakers or climbing shoes.
Well, you should. So yeah, we're just gonna go here and then go back down. I don't know if we can make it to the pyramid. It's quite a ways away. All right, we finished our hike. We were trying to do at least a mile, but we only got 0.85 because it was too damn hot. Scorching out here. What's the temperature right now, Isaiah?
Let me check the phone.
And so now we're just gonna cool down and fly the drone a little bit.
It's 105.
It's 105? Okay, so it's not as hot as last time, but still feels hot. It's a little bit humid too, so. But we're gonna go ahead and fly the drone, get a little footage, and then go grab a bite to eat. Okay, well, we're done. Headed back to the car. Had fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy the scenery. We're gonna get some grub, then go home, and we'll see how much range we get there with.
1 mile.
So right now we have 51 miles, 55%. Okay, so we are 40 miles away from home, but we're gonna stop by and get a little bit to eat. So a little bit, probably a little bit more than that. And I guess we'll check in when we get home, or maybe sooner.
Then turn right.
Okay guys, well, we decided to make a detour since we were out here anyway. We came to Collector's Marketplace. They sell classic toys, they sell video games, comics, anime stuff. Pretty cool place if you guys are ever out here. It's on Indian School and 20th Street. We have 41 miles of range left, 46% battery. We're 37 miles away from home, so we're just gonna go in here and see what they have. It is, they got this cool little mural out here. So they got Lego section. Pretty big actually. Looks like they don't have any AC though. Transformer section. I have a little game section too. Accessories and stuff. Nintendo games. Some Dreamcast stuff. Got the Gundams in the back wall over there. Anime stuff.
Got like that first wave.
And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the pop figures. Tons and tons of pop figures. I never really got the point of pops. So that was it. This is Collector's Marketplace.
There's cool stuff in there, but I always feel bad about trying to buy stuff there.
Yeah.
It's not stuff you need, you know?
Nothing really. They got a lot of cool stuff, but nothing I really want it right now. But it's a nice little distraction. So if you guys are ever here, come check it out. We're gonna go grab a bite to eat. So we had some Yoshis for lunch, and it was okay, right? There.
Oh, I like them.
Yeah, I mean, it was alright. Just
Teriyaki.
cheap teriyaki, but I did feel like a burger again. Well, going home now. Alright guys, we made it back home, and here's our final stats. We got back with 7 miles left, 8% of our battery, and check computer says 97 miles, 3.7 miles per kilowatt hour, so 97, so we would have got 104 miles, which is about the average for this car. So pretty good. Had a good time, had some good food. Now my son here did hit a piece of plastic on the freeway, and it got stuck in the wheel well, and it was there for like 30 or more seconds. Told him to pull out, and so we could check it out, but then it fell out. We could hear it just pop out, so we didn't pull over. Car seems to be driving fine, but let's go see if there was any damage to the wheel well or the tire. So it was right here. Don't see any damage. Must have just gotten stuck in there somewhere. I don't even see any scratches or anything, so looks like it's okay. See anything on the back tire? That thing popped out and hit the side of the car or anything? No, don't see anything. The car's good. All right, well, that was a good trip. We'll go ahead and do this again. I think next time we'll go to Camelback Mountain. Hopefully it's not as hot. So again, we would have got about 104 miles on the Mini, and then even a little bit more than that, because you know there's that buffer. Here's his Chevy Bolt. We still got to make some videos about that.
Gotta clean it.
Yeah, he's got to clean it. He hasn't washed it since I got it here. But anyway, we'll go ahead and make some more videos. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.